Good morning. Okay. Hello there. I'm making this video basically entirely to prove that I am actually keeping one of my New Year's resolutions. You know, I've been posting elsewhere about how I completely failed to stop buying clothes. I'm actually planning on doing a haul type video just of stuff that I bought this year, just to kind of... I was going to make up something about accountability or whatever, but let's be real, it would just be for fun and to kind of make fun of myself and just call myself out a bit and also show you my clothes. It would be fun. Anyway, but I have been learning to sew. I promise I have. Not very quickly, to be fair. I haven't made many things. Actually, I've only technically made this one garment I'm going to show you today. And even then, I didn't really make it. Emma did. Emma's a friend who is really good at sewing and offered to help me learn to sew. And she's been a fucking superstar at it, to be honest with you. She's appeared in a few videos before, but chose to remain off camera this time because I hadn't really planned on filming the sewing day, so we weren't prepared for it. And then I actually hadn't planned on making a video about it at all for a little while. We made this thing a couple of months ago, and for the last couple of months I haven't been in the mood to film much of anything, really. So basically I wasn't prepared for it. But I do have some footage and some clips because I do still film and photograph a lot of things that I do anyway, just sort of out of habit and for my own memory's sake, and I've decided to turn it into a video for you. So, what did we do? Emma was determined to teach me drapery. So, we didn't have a pattern, is apparently basically what that means. I don't know a lot about sewing terminology, but basically the idea was to not use a pattern and just build the thing on the mannequin. And that whole concept terrified me because I've never sewn a garment before in my life, and the only other videos I've watched about it, everyone used patterns. And I actually have a bunch of patterns because a very kind person on Instagram reached out to me saying that she had a bunch of spare sewing supplies and gave me all this stuff, and I have been going through them and using them and learning from them. I haven't made a video about it yet, but I have been going through them. So I do have patterns, but Emma insisted we're not using a pattern. So we got comfy, we sat down with some paper and pencils and wine, and she said to just sketch anything. Literally anything you want, just draw it. So I did. We sat and sketched out a bunch of ideas. I'll show you the random stuff I came up with. And then she said we would just make my favourite one. Just there and then. So we did. It involved a lot of pinning the fabric. My phone beeped again. Why is it always when I'm filming? Anyway, this basically just involved pinning the fabric onto the mannequin and then drawing it, drawing the thing, the shape that we wanted, basically, on the scrap fabric that was on the mannequin, cutting it out, turning that into a pattern, or rather using the bits that we just cut out as a pattern, and then tracing that onto actual fabric. So at this point we had this whole bat wing waistcoat thing shaped out, and we're looking at the fabric we had, and I had a bunch of black lining fabric that I'd been using to practice on and making pockets out of for other jackets. And Emma busts out the black pleather. So that was amazing. And from there it was basically just a matter of laying out all the pieces, cutting out all the bits that we'd already drawn but onto the main fabric and then the lining fabric, and then sewing them all together. And I helped a little bit. I helped as much as I could, basically. You know, I did the simple parts and I learned a lot from it, and I am very keen to do it again. And I will. And maybe I'll film more of it next time. Maybe I won't, who knows. Sometimes you just need to sit down with a bottle of wine each, draw a bunch of strange garments and sew them that afternoon, you know. Sometimes that's just how it is. Sometimes that's just how your evening has to be. You know, now that I have all of our DIY pattern pieces for this thing, I want to make more in different colours and fabrics. Ideally, I want to make one in like a soft fabric so I can wear it as a scarf, because I think that would be a really good look for me in winter. Just going about in a full body batwing wrap. Imagine it could be all fleecy and soft. And then I've got the clubwear version made of pleather. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. How did I button this? There we go. So I guess watch this space. If I end up making another one, I'll film it better. I'll film it more properly and intentionally make a video out of it. Maybe. If I'm in the mood for filming at the time. It's a shawl, it's a waistcoat, it's a full wraparound top, it's a scarf. It's everything. And I need one in soft fabric so that I can wear it all winter. And I also kind of like the idea of making one in a white or light peachy coloured fabric, you know, like white or something that I could match to my skin, and then doing all of the stitching in red and purple to make it look like, I feel like the way bat wings would look if I had them. Is that too far? Is that too scary? No, of course not. Nothing is too far. But it went great, and I love the thing we made. I'm not even sure what to call it. It's a top, it's a waistcoat, it's a thing. It also fastens in loads of different ways. So it's a thneed. It's a goth thneed, isn't it? Well, whatever. Here we are. I'll show you it. I'll show you it. So here we are. This is the proof that I'm learning to sew. I kept my word. I do have a couple of other sewing themed videos in the works. I have started a video on restoring a vintage coat because I bought a very cheap vintage coat that's all fucked up, basically. It was cheap because it is just, it's pretty tattered, it needs new pockets, it needs the lining fixed, it needs fixed. And I'm working on that. I have been actively doing that. So there will be a video on that, maybe in a month or so. And I am going to do a video on sewing from a pattern, because I still haven't done that yet. I still never made something from a sewing pattern. I've only done this one, this garment that I'm talking about today, and that was pattern free. So, there, I kept one of my New Year's resolutions. Have you kept your New Year's resolutions? Does it matter really at this point? Are you starting again? Are you going to make like a second half of the year resolution? Maybe a new October resolution? I don't know. I completely failed at not buying new clothes, but I have been learning to sew. And frankly, I love what I've made so far. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I make new videos whenever I feel like it.